Hello, fellow adventurers, and welcome to The Savvy Traveler. Today we're heading north to the beautiful country of Canada. From vibrant cities to breathtaking natural wonders, Canada offers something for everyone. Before you pack your bags, let's ensure you're well prepared for a smooth and enjoyable journey. We'll cover crucial aspects of traveling in Canada, including packing tips, cultural etiquette, essential documents, and safety precautions. So, grab your maple syrup-flavored coffee, get comfy, and let's dive into the do's and don'ts for an amazing Canadian adventure. When packing for your Canadian adventure, remember that the country is vast and boasts a diverse climate. If you're venturing into the Canadian Rockies or visiting during the shoulder seasons, layering is key. Pack a mix of warm sweaters, a waterproof outer layer, and comfortable walking shoes. Don't forget essentials like sunscreen, insect repellent, and a hat, as the weather can be unpredictable. For city travels, pack for both style and comfort. Canadians dress casually but chic. Research the weather conditions for your specific travel dates and pack accordingly. Before you even think about packing those suitcases, let's talk about travel documents. Your passport is your most important travel companion. Ensure it's valid for at least 6 months beyond your intended stay. If you're traveling by air, you'll also need an electronic travel authorization, ETA, which you can easily apply for online. Keep digital and printed copies of your passport, visa, if required, and ETA confirmation. It's also wise to carry copies of your travel insurance, flight itinerary, and accommodation confirmations. Having these documents readily accessible can be a lifesaver in case of any unforeseen circumstances. Canadians are known for their friendliness and politeness. Embrace the local customs by saying please and thank you even for the smallest of gestures. When greeting someone, a firm handshake and a smile go a long way. Canada is a multicultural country that values diversity and inclusivity. Be respectful of different cultures and traditions. Remember that English and French are the official languages, but don't assume everyone speaks French, especially outside of Quebec. While French is an official language of Canada, predominantly spoken in Quebec, it's important to remember that not everyone across the country is fluent. In most other provinces, English is the primary language spoken. Embrace the linguistic diversity. A smile and gestures can go a long way in communication. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with Canada's diverse culinary scene. Don't leave without savoring the iconic poutine, a Canadian classic made with crispy fries, cheese curds, and rich gravy. For seafood lovers, the Atlantic provinces offer fresh lobster, oysters, and mussels. Canada's culinary landscape is a delicious reflection of its diverse culture and heritage. While Canada is a technologically advanced country with widespread credit card acceptance, it's always wise to carry some cash, especially for smaller establishments, local markets, and tipping. Consider carrying small denominations for convenience. Prepare to be awestruck by Canada's breathtaking natural beauty. From the towering peaks of the Canadian Rockies to the rugged coastlines of Nova Scotia, there's a natural wonder for every adventurer. Explore the turquoise lakes of Banff National Park, hike through ancient rainforests in British Columbia, or marvel at the power of Niagara Falls. Canada's natural wonders offer unforgettable experiences for nature lovers. Before embarking on your Canadian adventure, ensure you have adequate travel insurance. Medical emergencies can happen unexpectedly, and medical costs in Canada can be expensive for non-residents. Travel insurance provides peace of mind and financial protection in case of unexpected medical expenses, trip cancellations, or lost belongings. Investing in travel insurance is a small price to pay for peace of mind during your travels. Canada is home to diverse wildlife, from majestic moose and bears to smaller creatures like squirrels and chipmunks. While encountering wildlife can be exciting, it's essential to observe them from a safe distance and respect their space. Never approach or feed wild animals, as this can be dangerous for both you and the animal. When hiking or exploring natural areas, be aware of your surroundings and follow designated trails. Tipping is customary in Canada to show appreciation for good service. In restaurants, it's standard to tip 15 to 20% of the pre-tax bill for good service. Taxi drivers and hairdressers also appreciate a 10 to 15% tip. When in doubt, feel free to ask locals for guidance on appropriate tipping custom. Well, fellow travelers, there you have it, your essential guide to the do's and don'ts of traveling in Canada. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your travel buddies, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and inspiration. From exploring vibrant cities to immersing yourself in stunning natural beauty, Canada offers a journey filled with unforgettable experiences. Safe travels, and remember to make the most of every moment.